How to check for dead pixel on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the bottom and type in dead pixel test. From the results, go to dead pixel check. Dead pixels are defective pixels on a liquid crystal display or LCD that are not performing as expected. Variations of dead pixels are dark dot, bright dot, and partial subpixel defects. Now, clean the screen gently with a soft cloth and tap on Start Test. Here, keep tapping to change and view the different test screens. Pixels are very small, so you have to look carefully all test screens. Let your eyes accommodate to screen brightness. Following these steps, you can easily check for dead pixel on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.